What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, as I told you in my previous video that there is only one brand that can beat Huawei in its homegrown market, and that brand could be Honor, which is once the part of Huawei. I don't know that still they are partner or not, because in front of people and public and media they have no attachment with each other. So I guess Huawei should be worried of Honor, because Honor recently unveiled the brand new Honor Magic 6 series to the market. You can see my video on that. Well, this smartphone has all those features which are appeared in the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, but one thing which the Mate 60 Pro doesn't have is the support of Google services, and in that direction Honor is one step ahead. Well, that was a little introduction, but the thing is, Honor is doing a phenomenal job in the sales department for this smartphone. Well, you know what? The Honor Magic 6 and the 6 Pro smartphones are now available for purchase in China, and a Weibo post released by the brand itself today reveals that the Honor Magic 6 series got an exceptional market response for the Magic 6 and the 6 Pro during their initial sales on various e-commerce platforms in China. The company witnessed a spectacular outcome, generating revenue surpassing 660 million yuan in the first sales event for these smartphones. Not only that, in 2 minutes and 35 seconds, the Honor Magic 6 Duo accomplished the remarkable feat. Well, this amazing performance notably exceeded the entire day's sales across all channels for its predecessor. Guys, they just sold 100 million worth dollar sales in China within like 3 minutes. Like, this is unbelievable and spectacular at the same time. People just loved this phone so much, they made this smartphone out of stock on different e-commerce websites. So there are basically 2 reasons why this phone got so much attention, and I'm not going to talk about its unique design. Well, the first reason is that this is basically a Chinese phone, so Chinese people love to support Chinese brand. And the second reason is that this is the exact copy of the Mate 60 Pro when we specifically talk about the specifications of it. Plus, it has Google services, which is the key thing for good sales. And because of that, you can buy this phone in the global market as well. So I guess that is why this phone is getting so much attention. So I guess Huawei should be worried now, as Honor started eating its market share in China. So what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.